How secure is your digital world? In an era where technology is as ubiquitous as the air we breathe, understanding cybersecurity is an absolute necessity. It's akin to learning how to lock your front door in the brick-and-mortar world. Today, we're going to dive into the murky waters of cybersecurity threats and how they operate. The first type of threat we're going to discuss is a term you've probably heard before: malware. This is a broad term that includes any software designed to cause harm to a computer, server, or computer network. This can include things like viruses, which self-replicate and spread to other computers, or ransomware, which locks down a computer until a ransom is paid. Next on the threat list is phishing. This is a method of fraud where the attacker pretends to be a reputable entity or person in email or other communication channels. The goal is to steal sensitive data like credit card numbers or login information. It's like a digital version of a con artist, tricking you into handing over your valuables. Another looming threat comes in the form of denial of service, or DOS attacks. These are attempts to make a machine or network resource unavailable by overwhelming it with traffic. Imagine a highway so packed with cars that no one can move. That's what a DOS attack does to your network. Lastly, we have spyware. This is software that enables a user to obtain covert information about another's computer activities by transmitting data covertly from their hard drive. It's the digital equivalent of a private investigator snooping into your personal affairs. So how can you protect yourself from these threats? The first line of defense is always a strong, unique password combined with multi-factor authentication, MFA. It's like having a sturdy lock on your front door. The second line of defense is to keep your computer's operating system and antivirus software up to date. This is akin to maintaining your home security system to ensure it's working properly. It's also vital to be skeptical of unexpected emails or messages asking for personal information, even if they seem to come from a known source. Remember the phishing we discussed earlier? This is where that comes into play. Lastly, be aware of what you download and click on. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't open email attachments or click on unfamiliar links if you're not confident it's legitimate. It's better to err on the side of caution in the digital world. To summarize, today we've learned about 4 major types of cybersecurity threats: malware, phishing, DOS attacks, and spyware. We've also discussed how to protect yourself from these threats by using strong, unique passwords, keeping software up to date, being skeptical of unexpected requests for personal information, and being cautious about what you download and click on. As you navigate the digital world, remember, your cybersecurity is in your hands. Stay safe, stay educated, and keep your digital world secure.